guys, what is going on? I have to be kind of quiet right now because my people in my house are still sleeping. Like, this is my first time being on here today on like my face because I know like I still look like I just woke up. 6:41, April 11th. I have school today, and then I also have something I'm really excited about. I really hope I can do it today, but I have something I'm really excited about to show you guys. I think I'm gonna do it today, but I don't know. So I'm gonna try to film as much as I can today. I really want to get back into the process of these vlogs and do them as daily as I possibly can. I know I'm in my pajamas right now, and yes, they are pizza themed. Today, let me like just check the temperature real quick. Hold on. Okay, so right now it's 48 degrees. And it's supposed to get up to 72 today. I'm super excited for that. I think I'm gonna wear shorts, even though I'm gonna be freezing this morning. Later, it'll feel like so good. I just really need to clean my office space up because I have way too much stuff just like scattered all over the place, and it's absolutely driving me nuts. I have like junk here, junk there. I need to bring that downstairs. That's fine because that's my backpack and stuff, but like it's just, and then like you want to see something really disgusting. Look at all those wires. That kind of like hurts my head when I look at all those wires. I'm gonna drink my coffee right here and chill out for a little bit, and then we'll figure something out. I came to school and I just realized there's something on my lens right there. Hopefully you can see that. Finished my first 2 classes, and now I'm gonna get food because I'm starving and my stomach is screaming at me because I really need to eat. That's basically what's going on. Hope you guys are having a good day.
Thank you for choosing Jimmy John's. What can I get for you?
Hey, I'm gonna do a number 17.
Oh gosh.
Why aren't those?
TVO.
Yeah, TVO, no tomato, easy sauce, add oregano, and then a water cup, and then I'm good. Why aren't those wheels on yet?
Because I bought them and they were too big, so now I have to exchange them.
Oh no, are you serious?
Yeah, I needed an offset of 10, and I actually bought an offset of 35, so like the wheels barely fit on there without the tires, so I have to exchange them.
Oh no, that sucks. What?
$6.86.
All right, thanks. All right, so like, this isn't gonna work with one hand, so like, I'm definitely gonna eat, and then I'll come back to you guys.
Share on Facebook is yours. You control how it's used. You can remove it at any time. You can get rid of your account and get rid of all of it at once.
No, but you can't claw it back once it gets out there.
So right now I'm watching the Zuckerberg testify in front of this council. I thought yesterday, I watched a lot of yesterday's. I thought he did a pretty decent job at answering the questions that they threw at him. Some of the questions I feel are kind of like ridiculous for them to be asking. They're questions that they obviously already know the answer to. They just like, I guess, just want to hear him say it or something. I don't know. It could just be so it's for the record and stuff, but I think it's kind of like ridiculous in my opinion. It's kind of interesting to watch though. I like to see his response to a lot of the questions. I can't imagine to be in his position right now. I would be so nervous, and like, this is live, so if he makes a mistake about any question or something, it's so difficult for him to do this. And the reason everybody's complaining because he's answering a lot of times, I'll have to get back to you on that. Well, he's not going to give false information that he doesn't know anything about, because then people will blow it up and it'll blow way out of proportion and it will be awful. So this is interesting to watch though. I'm sorry if I have mayonnaise all over my mouth right now. I have biology in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna like eat this sandwich really fast. You can't even see it. There it is. It's beautiful. I'm gonna eat this sandwich really fast, and then I gotta hightail to biology. We're dissecting again. We're dissecting a fetal pig, and we're learning all kinds of stuff. Hope you guys are having a great day, because this made it a lot better for me. A lot better. I just saw this, and it's kind of a sad moment for me. 47,000 miles officially on this beast. So like right now I have a few options, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. So it's 1:58 right now, and oh, I didn't tell you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, here we go. This is what I've been kind of wanting to show all day long, and this is what I had planned on showing all day long. So Ooh, that's good reflective. That's good reflectivity there. Look at. I've been super excited because I wanted to share this with you guys all day. So I said I had something big kind of coming up, and I wanted to film it. And here is what is going to be happening. So under this, let me zoom out here. I have, yeah, that's right, a full new kit for the bike. Full kit. So we got the side there. We have, this is, I love the rear fender. Here's the rear fender. Looks dope. Got, uh-oh. I don't know what that came off of. That's not good. I'm just gonna like leave that there because I don't know where that came off of. Hopefully it's okay. Also, this is the front fender. I really like that. That goes on the tip of the front fender. So I'm super stoked to get all these on. Here's my like options for today. I have like the rest of the day basically to kind of do what I want. I do have a test I have to do tonight, but it's online, so it's 2 right now. There's a couple options that I can do. I really need to get to the gym today at some point and do something. But I also want to put those graphics on, which I first have to wash my bike, and I also kind of want to ride because it's so nice out today. So I'm kind of like thinking to myself what I don't know what I want to do. Riding does sound pretty nice. It's so nice out today. It's 79 degrees, which is absolutely phenomenal. I wanted to end off the vlog today with something I have never done before in my entire life, and I've been meaning to, and that is see the International Space Station fly overhead. I've never done it before. I've heard it's really cool. It's happened several times, many times in my life. I just never done it. I looked it up, and here's what I found. So today is April 11th, 8:20 p.m. This is the one, and then it says appears 36 degrees above northwest and disappears 13 degrees above southeast. So when I said 36 above northwest, I was kind of confused. I'm hoping that this is what they mean. I mean, this is northwest as you can get, so 36 degrees above that. So 336 degrees, is that what they're saying? Okay, so I'm just gonna look. 336 is like that way, so I'm just gonna look over there and hopefully we can see it, because something that might make it easier is the max height is 88 degrees, so it's literally gonna come like straight overhead, which is gonna be awesome. I want to try to get a long exposure of it. Don't know if I'll be able to do that. It might still be too light outside. I might have to wait till 9:12 because it's gonna happen again, but this one's gonna happen for 4 minutes and the other one's for 3. So also I wanted to talk about how dirty my car is. It is ridiculously dirty. My car is so dirty. Look at that. What is that? I literally went down the road once today. And then also the brake dust. Do you see that? It's so bad. You can barely see my caliper. The caliper goes all the way down to here and you can't see it after here. Oh, it's so disgusting.